Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, so as you can see, we did the footings in sections. There's some sections and then we skipped, and then there's a section over here as well, and then we skipped as well. There's another section, as you can see, and then there's a section in the front. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. We are done with the footings installation. You can see this part was done yesterday. Today we will remove the forms, so everything will be done. You can see solid concrete all around. We did it 18 inches plus, I would say, the maybe 1 feet that you had, maybe less. So good morning, guys. Today is Monday. Waterproofing first layer is done, as you can see, on the new footings that we installed. Underneath the waterproofing, you can see we dug about 6 inches so we can install the drainage system, and that would collect the water that will get underneath. You can see it's all around.